guys, so in today's episode we are going to make the Teen Titans headquarter pocket money box and it will look so nice, and we are making it with only a mobile box or a smartwatch box. So we should start now. So first we are taking a look on the things we have to get. We have to get some water paint, and a thing for mixture, a marker, a smartwatch box or a mobile box, sellotape, glitter sticks with hot glue gun, or you can use hot glue gun with any type of glue. That's not important. And scissors, a thin cardboard like this, and paper, glue, and not so much, just these things. So take a look on everything. These are the ingredients. So let's now start making it. So first we are taking a mobile or a smartphone box, and we'll open this. Here you can see it is to open. So to make it not open, you are going to use this type of thin cardboard. So first let me cut it into pieces, then I will show you this later. So friends, for the first side I have took this piece and I had cut it like this. So now to make it stick on it, we are doing a thing. I'm telling you what to do. You have to take sellotape. Let's open it. Now scissors. Okay. So now you have to cut them into some pieces like this one, and stick it on this thin cardboard like this. And we have to cut one more piece to make Teen Titans headquarters pocket money box. Yeah, I know that. Do not forget that. Did not forget that. So we have to repeat it continuously till it is full out of sellotapes. So friends, now you can see that it is full out of sellotape and it is difficult to pull it out, but I pulled it out. So for this piece we had cut this, so we have to stick it like this. Please, we have to stick it like you have to stick it like this. And don't worry about the painting. It is happening. We will paint on this paper. So let's do this. And friends, are you fan of Teen Titans Go? So comment in the description so that I can see how do you like Teen Titans. I like Teen Titans, but it is not coming in India, so I can't see it on TV. So I am making it like this. So you can see a bit of space here. We will also cover it with this thin cardboard. Just wait for it. So I have covered this with this thing. I know it is looking a bit odd, but it will look nice when it will finish. So let's move on the next box. We will do the same with it. So friends, as you can see here, I have made the two I made the two covered, and now we will form a T for the Teen Titans headquarters. Sorry. So now we are making a T, but the first thing we have to do is to balance it. From which side it is balancing the best, that side we will choose. So I think this is good. This is the good side. Now we will take the papers and the boxes, and we will cover it all with the white paper. I think you will need one box for two papers. I mean, you have to get two papers for one box. So we have to cover it now. So friends, I know that you are having a doubt that we had stick the tape. So how does the normal glue will stick on it? So it will easily stick on it. There is no problem. So don't worry about it. And friends, only apply a bit of glue and rub it by your finger. That's why your glue is safe, and the paper will be not wet. It will dry easily. Friend, it's not necessary to use white glue. You can use glue stick or hot glue gun. Friends, as you can see, I have made one, but it take me a lot of time to make this one. So I'm going to make the next one, and I think it will also take a bit long time. So I have to stop this for 1 hour, or we can say half an hour. So friends, now the two boxes are created. Now we have to wait for the hot glue gun to heat, and then we will stick it. I will show you how to stick it. So let's wait for it. When it's done heating, I will tell you. For that, so friend, it is starting. It is started to hot glue. So I'm going to do this. चलो अब इसे लगाते हैं फ्रेंड्स. Sticking it like a T. As you can see here, it is looking like a T. So we are sticking it properly. So friends, as you can see here, I had hot glue it, and now it is cooling down. When it will cool, we will paint it first from white, and then we will make a mixture of blue and white. So I think I should make the mixture of blue and white. Now we will mix it, and look, it make a very beautiful color form of blue, as you can see here. It's very good form of blue, and it is looking like the sky blue, or we can say as a window blue, and we need a window blue, so it will be very effective for our the Teen Titans Go Pocket Money box. There are 2 boxes in here, and there are 2 ways to get them out. I will cut them later when the all the glue will be dried well. First I will wash this. Look, the color we made is also formed in the glass. I mean the pot. So now I will color it. So friends, it is 12 minutes and 22 seconds. I think we should stop this video, and we will do painting and detailing next time. And also I will tell you how to make it a pocket money box. And it could also and it is good for twins because it has 2 boxes for pocket money. So we will meet in the next part. Thank you.